Guys, I go by the name Amokones, the founder of eReader Digitals and CrowdHost Ghana. And today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing blog website. Okay, maybe you are thinking that I'm not when it comes to writing. I'm not good in writing. Please, I'm one of them. Okay, when it comes to writing a lot, I'm not good in that. But let me show you something. Look at this blog post. Everything was written by AI. Everything here, including the featured image, the content, everything was made by AI. And I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create a blog website, okay, which can help you to make money online. Because through blog posts, you can share your affiliate link. You can also earn money through Google Ads, okay. So I'm going to show you everything. Okay, so let's go down here. Let's first look at the structure of this blog website. Is it not amazing? It's very beautiful, okay, with different style. I love it. Wow. So you see, and there is a footer, okay, you can see the copyright here, and good. So let's go here first. Let's look at one post. Okay, so let's say a single post. We just want to, this is a single post, and you can see we have a feature image here. We have a reading tools. Okay, so if let's say according to and if this writing is too small, I can just too big, I can reduce it. If I want to increase the size, if still I want to increase it. Maybe you have eye problem, you want to increase it, you can just go ahead. You see, now I have increased the block. That's the text or the font size. I can reduce it, or I can just make it normal. So you see, it has that tools and nice card, and you can see the that is comment box, and you can see that the comment box has a security check as well, so that boot will not be sending unnecessary comments on your blog post. And this is amazing, right? Let's look. Let me see if let's go to foreign news, and I want to look at the post category. So this is a post category. So post category under foreign news, we can see the recent posts here and other posts that I've added, okay, and the trending news. This is amazing, and this is just about, it is a review. If you want me to make this video, if you want me to show you how to create this blog website, and please, you know something, you have to leave comments below this video. The number of comments will determine if I have to proceed with this website. Okay, this is a blog website, and you can make money through that. You don't have to write anything. AI will write everything for you. Let me take you to dashboard so that you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, and not only that, we have a lot of features here. Okay, so first let me come back here, and over here you see we have eReader AI writing assistant. This is a plugin I developed, okay, and also eReader WP Styling Premium. Okay, these two I made the two plugin, okay, and I'm going to show you how to use them, and I will first make a full video on that later. But I just want you to have a look at this blog website. What is your comment? If you think this is an amazing, then leave a comment, and I will look at the number of comments, and I will decide whether to create the complete video on this one. Okay, so let's go to, for instance, let's go to settings. I can see bulk AI job, eReader AI assistant. So I can click here, and here we have open AI. So I will show you, it's not all that difficult. Now what I can tell you for now is all the images here and the post, everything was made by AI, including the post title, everything. You don't have to do anything. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so when I go down here, here we have trending news. So for instance, I can see some ideas here. You can see some trending news, iCloud versus Google Drive, pricing, storage. Okay, so if I want to write blog posts on this, I can just go ahead and do it. Okay, and we have others 100 years before, blah blah blah, but there's a lot of them. But if you have your niche, let's say you want to write about something specific, let's say WordPress, or you can just enter that. So let's say I want to write something under WordPress. I can just search for that and get yes, something, and then I can see the scores on that. Okay, WordPress is 60, but you can also decide, you can decide to add the idea based on your niche. Okay, so for instance, if you want to write about a website, you can just add it. You can see that there's an example here, church, then you can just add so that it will give you. But if you leave this one here, or if you leave here empty, it means that it will suggest a dairy ideas for you. Okay, yes, that's how it works. And this is an amazing, right? It's beautiful, right? So with this, you don't have to do anything. Now, for instance, if I want to write a blog post, let's wait. I just refresh the page. Let's say I want to write about Google iCloud. That's iCloud versus Google Drive. I can click here and let's wait. Let's see what's going to happen right now. Good. So you see, so we have the topic. After clicking here, we have it here now. Okay, good. I can then click here to generate, and it will generate a title, post prompt, image prompt, keywords, keyword, and FAQ. You see, it has generated everything. Okay, I think it's still loading. Good. So it's now done. Okay, so if I want to write a post on this, so I don't have to do anything. I can just click here, add this to bulk queue, and let's see. Good, it is done. Now I can come back here, bulk AI job. Let me click on that, and I will see the post I just added. Let's go down here. This is the post I just added. That is iCloud versus Google Drive. Okay, and if I want to, these are the ones which has been done. The posts I have which has been written by the AI. Okay, these are the posts. You see, you can see done, and here is pending. Okay, so I can just come here and click edit. Okay, so over here, after clicking that, I can just go through that, and here this is the edit. So this is a post title, the prompts, and I can, the AI model I want to use is chat GPT 40 minimum, and the maximum token is that is, and it's post, the post status. I want it to go live when it is ready. Okay, so I can schedule the post time, let's say today, yes, and that is published at that is today, and then we can schedule after. So schedule after. Okay, so after today, okay, schedule until that is the end. Okay, so I want everything to be let's say by Tuesday or tomorrow. Okay, so you can decide on where to I mean, with the time frame. That's okay. I can select the category for this post. Okay, so business, let me select business. So I can just select business. I don't have tag group, so I have to leave it. So it will generate a featured image for this post, and then we have featured image prompt is here, so I don't have to do anything. So all that I need to do right now is to click save, and I am done. Okay, so after that, let's go down here, and we can see that it's pending. Okay, so I will pause the video, and we will come back here when this post is live. The post is done. Okay, now let's look at the status here. So you can see that this is the title of the post we wrote. Okay, so you can see that this is the title of the post. Okay, and now it is done. Okay, so we are going to look at the content. Let's go to the front end here, and now this is the post including the featured image. Okay, everything, I mean, it's amazing. This plugin is the best so far. Okay, so this is the post so far, so good. You can see you can just go through that. Okay, if you want to edit, that is cool. You can still edit the post. you can click here and you can make some change to the post. Okay, so wait and let's see. Okay, so far I want to remove this. Okay, so I can decide to remove this one. Okay, good. Yes, and then there's so many things that I can change here. I can click here and you see this, this one came with the AI assistant. Okay, the one the AI assistant, and we can make a lot of change using this one. Let's say after going through the post, we feel like we want to make change. Okay, so this is, we can convert this one from to blog editor, convert to blog. Okay, so we can do it in that way, and it has been converted to blog. And let's say we want to change these parts, we can select all of them and we can decide to come here. We can rewrite the selection, we can expand the selection or summarize it. Okay, good. How do you want us to do this? Okay, so let's rewrite it. Okay, yes, and replace it. Okay, so we are going to rewrite this one. So you can see that when it comes to cloud storage solution, 2 of the most. So you just take note of that, and let me click generate. So all the content, after going through, if there is some phrases you want to make adjustment, you can do that. Right now you see it has changed. Okay, we have rewrite that. Okay, so right now what else do you want us to change? If you want to summarize the whole thing, we can also do that. Okay, let's say now you want to summarize this one, we can summarize it. Okay, so let's go back here. It says summarize it, so you just take note of the content. We can go back here, generate, and it will summarize it. You see, good. So this plugin is so amazing. I made this plugin. Okay, I think yesterday I was able to show you that, right? So let's go to plugin and okay, good. So we have eReader WP Star Premium and eReader AI Writing Assistant. Okay, so for the AI, so I will make a complete video on these plugins very soon. So if you really want to see this video, just leave comments below this video and I will base on the number to proceed with this. Okay, we are looking at stunning. Okay, including the theme, the 2 plugins, and even the theme. I wrote the theme. Okay, right, yeah, I needed a WordPress theme, so I wrote this one as well. Okay, and I still feel like I have to modify it. I have to make some changes, okay, to make it better. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye.